Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. I'm still tracking the triangle wave count here on this wave chart or on this chart of the Litecoin coin. So not much change here. All that happened was that it broke below the previous swing low here, the 75.40 level. But as I explained in previous videos, if that happens, it doesn't invalidate the triangle. It would simply reset the C wave further. So from that point of view, it is still a valid wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 currently here still in the making, possibly as a triangle, which should get now with the latest drop another D and an E wave. So it's a very long triangle before going higher in a fifth wave. However, the invalidation point for the triangle hasn't changed, so it remains the risk level here. The risk level remains at 65.77, plus minus a few cents depending on the exchange. But if that level breaks, I cannot see this anymore as an Elliott Wave triangle. And that would indicate that Litecoin, that's the bearish version of the count, would have topped only in 3 waves. Yeah. The problem is you have only 3 waves here at the moment. We have an A wave, we have a B wave, and a C wave. So A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But obviously we don't know if this is going to be a wave 4 and the wave 5, if that still happens. So against 65.77, I think the focus can be on higher. We're now very low here again in this sort of particular structure relating to support. You could even add, I don't know if you can we add a trend line here roughly? Yeah, and it's now pulled back to that trend line. So that might be relevant. But it's only a 3-wave top at the moment. And obviously I'm tracking a triangle, yeah, but the 65.77 level is the relevant invalidation point. Yeah, below that level, we would have to, well, at least new bear market lows will get much more likely, okay? There is then still a bit of a hopium count possible that we say it might be a 1-2-1-2 setup, but that is very unrealistic given the length of the second, what would be a wave 1 then, yeah? So what I'm watching for here is now at some point a reaction to the upside to keep the triangle count alive. So let's actually, let me take that off again. Let's zoom in a bit. In the triangle, we've got 5 waves highlighted in yellow. So we need 5 waves in the triangle. We need an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. Ultimately, the D wave needs to be a lower high and the E wave needs to be a higher low. That's why also the C wave, it needs to be a higher low than the A wave, okay? The concern is obviously you could say, okay, what happens if we break below that? Could it not still be a wave 4? Not really, because then the wave 4 would really break into the wave 1 high anyway, and it has come down too deep then, all right? So from that point of view, triangle count still valid. Important would be to get a turnaround here at some point, because in the C wave, obviously every wave in a triangle is a corrective wave structure. So we're looking also here in the in the C wave at a correction, a 3-wave move, W, X, Y. And in the Y wave, I have an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Let me just zoom in. Oops, let me just zoom in. That might have shifted a little bit. Let's just go to the 1-hour chart. Here, A wave, yeah, B wave top. That was our resistance area in the last video, so it was a nice short from there. So don't know if anybody took it. We had also here our target reached and it bounced off. Then the resistance bounced off and now heading down lower quite impulsively, which wouldn't be a surprise because as per this count, it would be a C wave within wave Y, which could get a little bit more of a squiggle down possibly, yeah, because you can say that it can always extend until we see a reversal signal, and so far the reversal signals here are just not there. So in the C wave, we're looking for a 5-wave move: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and yeah, I mean wave 5 could be complete, but I think one more tiny low might be happening. To get 5 waves in the wave 5 as well, but that's really micro counting, okay? So ultimately, it remains my view that 65.77 needs to hold to remain carefully bullish on this chart, and then in a D wave, we should see another 3-wave structure, ultimately leading to a lower high. But yeah, first of all, we need a reversal signal. What kind of reversal signal are we waiting for? We're waiting for an impulse, and ideally, I'd like to see a move as a very first indication that the trend is shifting to above the last significant swing high. That would be $78 better would be a break above 79.70 to confirm that we have bottomed here in this C wave, okay, in yellow, and that we are starting the D wave of the triangle. We can now also calculate a possible target for the D wave, just roughly. It's not super accurate, but just to give you an idea where it might be heading as long as 65.77 is holding. So in terms of Fibonacci extensions, I mean, I can only measure it off the recent low, right? I mean, if that goes a little lower, the target needs to be adjusted. But we're talking about the region between 85.55 and 94.40. That would be ideal, between the 38.2 extension and the 61.8 extension. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.